Okay, this is just a review on how to create teams for all of your classes. You can choose to create one team for your entire class and then separate them into private teams, or you can have them all in the general team, depending on which option you chose. So the first thing that you're going to do is join or create a team. Create the team. You want to make sure that it's a class, because that, and you might call that whatever. And then next, then you're going to write in your students by their email addresses. Remember, this is something that you do only once. And then you're going to add them to your class. Once they've been added, you can close. And this is where you're going to create your meetings. Actually, this is not where you're going to create your meetings. You're going to go to your calendar. You're going to find November 10th. And at the beginning of whatever class you want to make the meeting, you're going to create a new meeting. You're going to add your channel. If yours, like mine, wasn't working, it wasn't coming up, then what you can do is you can go to your general channel, and then in there, click schedule a meeting, click the meet button, the arrow next to it, schedule a meeting, and then you'll say class meeting. It will automatically put that channel in there, and then starting from November 10th, you will want to make it repeat every weekday. And then you can change it to custom so that you can put an end date of, I believe it's January 15th. And then it'll show up for every day. Now, if you choose to do this, this would be for option 1 for people that you're meeting with every single day. And this would be a meeting that one of your cohorts would ignore, the in-person cohort would ignore, while the off-site students would join this meeting. And then once you send this, then it will go to all of your students and they will have to accept it for it to be on their calendar.